And of course, what's that noise? Good morning. We back on our Tiffany breakfast. So I did my cayenne pepper shot, but I did it at like 5 o'clock. This is what I have for breakfast. Scrambled eggs, avocado, 1 whole avocado, 2 hearts of palm, strawberries, my sausage. Again, I forgot what brand it says. I'll try to put it on the screen. I have cottage cheese and a little bit of mustard. I do like this combination. I'm feeling it. And then pickled beets. That's breakfast, so good morning. And then I have coffee. And I figured you needed company. I'm your company. I'm your aunt. I'm the one. Let's get into it. Now, these hearts of palm. They've become my favorite meal. My legit favorite meal. This whole thing. How much weight have I lost up to this point, I wonder? So let me show y'all. Two times in a row, Ron has been playing his video game. And he has asked me twice, babe, did you come in the room and touch me while I was playing the game? And both times the answer was no. No, I haven't, right? Crazy thing is, it's been a weird vibe since I moved in this house, y'all. I'm not even freaking kidding. I don't know what that's about. But it's been a weird vibe. And it come and go. Now, he made a joke about a ghost having followed them here from Indiana. Okay? And now stuff is touching him. Stuff has touched me. We did recently go to a cemetery. You know. So, you don't know. It's Friday morning when I'm filming this video, by the way. Do you have plans for the weekend? And if you do, what are your plans for the weekend? Bay and I are going hiking tomorrow, which is Saturday. I'm not sure where. Kind of want to do a different mountain. Shout out to the girl who put this on the map. For all the girlies who want to lose weight. Normally, too, I love salsa on my egg avocado combo. That's a good mix too. But right now, this is the mix. It's so good. I should have had me a water, but I forgot to grab it. And it was quite a lot carrying all this out here. That is so... It's good. Okay, so I started trying to watch that movie about Tyrone getting cloned. I wasn't really feeling it, but at the same time, I did start watching it right when we were getting sleepy. It didn't have my true focus, you know? It had my sleep brain. We'll revisit that. Yeah. hmm Oh my goodness, that spider web is so big. Bird. No. He literally sitting right here. I'm scared. Man, come snatch my plate. He's so peaceful. Sitting out here, eating breakfast, brunch, whatever you want to call it, on the patio. On a Friday morning. Mm, life is great. I have no complaints. None. Zero. It's my tanning. Let me know. This shirt is so old. I've had it for years. It's got paint on it. Mm. I am planning my, I ain't gonna say annual, but it's kind of becoming annual though. My sipping paint. So, this is a sipping paint with the option to puff and paint for my stoner friends. Okay. Or just come and paint. We'll be painting wine glasses and canvases. So I'm trying to figure out what Friday night I want to plan it. We have it on Friday night. Girls only. No men. Come. My girlfriends let their hair down. Live their best life. Paint. Paint. Sip. That looks the same, don't it? Okay, you get it. Paint. Well, that's the plan. I'm putting it together as we speak. Okay, a little uneven table. Mm-hmm. These beats. I love beets though. Mm. So good. Mm-hmm. Breakfast was delicious. Mm-hmm. It was so good. And I'm full. actually. Even the flies don't want nothing healthy. I had one fly come check it out. No, never another one been back. Y'all, I'm glad I'm almost done eating. It is a leg to something. I don't know who leg that used to be. But it's over here. Look at this. Who leg is that? I'm glad I'm done eating. Bye, y'all.